Hi, my name is Robert Menzie with Cooling Concepts, and I'm going to show you the proper method on how to operate a liftgate. First tip is that when you're docking the truck to the trailer, you want to make sure that they're connected to these two reciprocals, which are connected to the battery that operate the liftgate. While your truck's connected to these reciprocals, it'll be charging the battery. That way your battery doesn't die and you can operate the liftgate for a long period of time. Okay, after talking about the reciprocals, we're going to talk about bringing and operating the liftgate. First thing you want to do is you want to go over here to this handle, pull this up, and drop this down. That'll make it easier later on. Okay, so now that you got this plate let down, what you're going to want to do is to let out the liftgate, we're going to want to hit down to where an arrow and the yellow marker line up. Once you have that lined up, you're going to hit up and forward on the controls at the same time, which will let out the liftgate. And once it's let out, just hit down until it goes all the way down to the ground. All right, once you have the liftgate all the way down, there are controls here on the passenger side or right side of the trailer that just go up and down. So if you hit up, the liftgate will take you all the way up. And then if you hit down, the liftgate will take you down. Now, to put the liftgate away, we're going to do basically the opposite. And I've already lined up the arrows on this side, so I'll just have to put the liftgate to fold back in. But first, what you want to do is it's easier to fold this from this side. So what you want to do is grab the handle, pull it out, and fold it all the way in. After that, you want to go over to the controls and hit up and in. Oh, this is really important. As you can see, the chains here fell out. So what you want to do is if you see the chains fall out, come in real quick, put the chains in their little stations right here, and then continue to fold it back in, because if you don't, the liftgate won't fold back out when you're trying to bring it out. And then after that, put it all the way up, and you're good to go. So that's how to operate a liftgate. If you have any further questions, call us at our 866 number, or what you can do is there's a sticker on the side of the trailer right above the controls that detailed explanation on everything I just went over. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day.